So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Flutter with JT. So today we are going to discuss an amazing package which is used for animated text. So this package is animated text kit package, and so in this package we have different animations which can be used in our app to make the text look more attractive. So as we see over here, we have this particular rotate animation, and then we have the fade animation over here and typer animation. So we'll just have a look at some of these animations in this video. So let's get started. So over here I have the default setup ready. I just need to make some changes. So these comments are not required, and we don't need this my homepage widget because we are going to make our own widget over here. So let's delete this first. Okay, that's done. So now let's name our widget my first page, and let's create that widget over here. Let's widget my first page. Okay, so now here we will define the basic layout of our screen. So let's just pass scaffold over here, and in that we will have safe area. Okay, and inside safe area we will have a container. Okay, and let's assign some color to it. And let's center align the widget that we are going to use. So okay, so I think the basic layout of our screen is ready. So now let's see the package that we are going to use. So first let's go over here in installing, and let's copy this. So in our pubspec.yaml we don't need these comments. Let's just remove all this thing. This is also not required at all. Not required. So let's just paste it over here. Okay, so one important point over here is that I haven't migrated to null-safety yet, and as we can see this package supports null-safety, so I might get an error. So let's just see a version that is not supporting null-safety, 3.1.2. okay, so we'll directly use that version. Okay, that's done. So now we have successfully imported the package. So let's see which widget we should use. Let's go over here. Okay. I guess this widget is fine for the demo. Okay. So let's import the library. Yes, so that's it. We have imported the package as well as the library. Let's make some changes over here. We can make this same as our container color. Wave color can be white. Text size can be 60. That's fine. Bold. Okay. So let's run this and check. Okay, so here as we can see the text is being animated, but I guess the wave is too slow, so I guess you can change that value as well. So let us check over here. Wave duration, you can set that. Okay, fine. So first what we are going to do is we are going to reduce the wave duration. Make it 1. and also we have load duration which can be reduced. Make this 4. Okay, and let's check this now. Yeah, this looks much better. Yeah, so this is one of the widgets that we use, that is text liquid fill. So we have other widgets as well. So as you can see over here, there is the wavy effect which we can try, the flicker effect, and then we can even create our own animations using animation controller. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content.